Taylor Swift has jetted out Australia. The American singer's private jet was seen leaving Sydney Airport on Tuesday. The global megastar performed her final Era tour concert in the city on Monday night. The Bombardier Global 6000, which both Taylor and her boyfriend Travis Kelce used to travel into Australia, was seen taxiing down the runway at around midday. Taylor had traveled down under for 7 sellout concerts across Melbourne and Sydney, which came to an end on Monday night, and she has mere days off before she will return to the stage in Singapore on March 2nd.